too actually. It took me about 20 minutes and you need like a little bit of stuff. You don't need a lot. So let's get started, guys. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my liquid latex and I'm going to dab up a little thin layer around my arm where I'm going to put the rest of the makeup. So the latex is going to act as an adhesive for the scar wax that we're going to put over it, and it's just going to make it stick way better. Alright, then I'm just going to go ahead and let this dry. Alright, now that the latex is dry, I went ahead and took my nose and scar wax and I made two little balls like this. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put this one like kind of on the top right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take some Vasaline and smooth it out. The top part is going to be smoothed up towards the hand. So the Vaseline really helps to smooth out the scar wax. If you don't use some kind of Vaseline or some people use coconut oil, it's really hard to smooth it out and it just looks very like clumpy. So the goal is to make it look like this is still part of your arm. So like that your arm is going down like this. So you just have to be sure to smooth it in really nicely here so it could still like so it could look like part of your arm. Latex, so I took some of the latex from this side off. So I'm gonna put a little bit of latex right here where the other piece is gonna go, and then I'll put the other piece like right here, a little bit lower than where this is. And then while this latex dries, I'm gonna put some latex over this piece just so it can stay in place. Alright, so as you guys can see, I made the line, and I colored in the tops of the edges, and then I made another line right there. Okay, now that we're done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and take my injury stack again, and we are gonna take the red shade now, if I could open it. So we're gonna take the red shade now. I barely have any, but, and then we're gonna do the same thing, but just like kind of dab it around like this. Don't make a straight line, just dab it. Kind of blend in the purple with the red as well. Alright, now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and take a sponge and the same color I was using, and then I'm just gonna dab a little tiny bit around the edges just to make it look a little more irritated. Okay guys, so I just put a little bit around the skin just to make it look a little more irritated. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my blood gel, and then I'm just gonna apply it at the same spots that I painted on the top and on the line right here that I drew. So I'm just gonna draw over that line. Alright, I'm just gonna dab it over the line. I'm not making it super straight, just to make it look a little more realistic. Okay, we're gonna put some right here and on the top of the skin. Alright, and that pretty much does it, guys. Like I said, it was really easy to do. If you don't have scar wax, there's a lot of recipes for you guys to make it at home. And pretty much all you need is latex, scar wax, and fake blood. You don't have to use this kind of paint. You could always use eyeshadow if that works best for you, or if you don't want to spend money on Halloween paint or Halloween makeup, I mean. Yeah, guys, it's pretty easy. I really like how it turned out, actually. It took me about 20 minutes to do. So yeah, it's a great look for Halloween. Like, it's easy. It looks really cool. Look at it. It really looks like it. My arm actually got sliced. But yeah, guys, I really, look at that. That looks so cool. I hope you guys like this video. I really want to make a couple more special effects videos, but I don't think I'll have them ready before Halloween, just because I don't have that much time to edit and stuff. I have other stuff that I gotta do. But give this video a thumbs up if you guys want me to make more videos like this. I really enjoy it. The simple ones are really, I could do more simple videos if you guys like more simple stuff like this. The big looks that I've been making, it takes a really long time to do. That's why I don't make them that often. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like it. Look at that. That looks so cool. Whoa. It really looks like my arm sliced. Yeah, you don't have to do it on your arm. You could do it on your leg. I've done it on my fingers. It looks really cool on the fingers. You could do it on your neck, on your nose, pretty much anything that's like straight. And it looks really cool, especially from far away, you know? I really, really hope you guys like this video. Hopefully I can make a couple more SFX videos before Halloween so you guys could watch them. If not, I'm really sorry. I'm really gonna try to make at least one more, like a little one like this. But yeah, I really hope you guys liked the video. If you guys want to follow me on social medias, this is my Instagram and this is my Twitter, so follow me if you'd like. Click the notification bell so you can get notified every time I put out a new video. And subscribe for more videos. I am gonna be posting different type of videos too if you guys are into that. But yeah, put down in the comments below if you guys want to see more special effects videos or other type of videos. Like the other day I put the one chip challenge video. If you guys haven't checked it out, I'll put a card up here. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below what other kind of videos you'd like me to do. They don't have to be SFX related. I want to switch it up a little and make different type of videos here and there. But yeah, just give me some ideas, guys. Also, next time.